What are video ads? Hey there everyone. So we already talked about video marketing, or about how you can use relevant video content to complement any type of marketing campaign. And we're sure that you are now seeing how some of your favorite content creators are simply using video marketing to drive home their message as the most effective part of their content marketing strategy. Yet, by now you are also aware that video marketing is often used as part of a larger content marketing campaign for a reason. And that is because it is a longer-term strategy that is mostly used to create engagement instead of, say, create immediate sales. Granted, you can use video marketing to promote affiliate products and make money off it, but the truth is that you will be required to deliver not only relevance, but also value to your target audience. That means that you won't be able to use video marketing to directly pitch your offers, but to show your audience the benefits of your offer in an indirect way, which will in turn drive sales later on. So the question now is, what if your objective is to send your message in the fastest way possible? What if you want to bypass all the formalities and the difficulties so often associated with organic engagement and tell your target audience to buy your product now or to move on otherwise? Well, we might just have an answer for you. Video advertising. Okay, but what is video advertising all about? Just as the name implies, video advertising is all about the use of video for advertising. More specifically, video advertising is the use of online video for ad placements. In fact, video advertising is a very broad term that encompasses not only ad placements, but also the use of the unique features offered by video sharing platforms for advertising. In this sense, video ads are no longer understood as simple banner ads flashing in online videos, but also as any type of ad unit in video format. This is because you will also be able to see video ads outside of video sharing platforms such as YouTube, such as muted right-hand column video ads on blogs and pre-roll video ads on major sites. The internet has gotten so used to video ads that you may have a hard time telling one video ad format from another. People are simply happy to watch or interact with a video ad just like if they were watching a video on YouTube. And that's why so many marketers love video ads. Here are some of the most popular video ad formats. We're pretty sure you've seen them before. Overlay video ads. These are the classic banner ads that appear underneath the screen while you are watching an online video. Companion video ads. These display-like ads appear outside the video, around the video player. Linear video ads. These are non-static video ads that can appear both on online videos as pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll, and on website content as on top of, in the middle, or on the bottom of content advertising. And they often take embed-like positioning. Interactive video ads. This type of video ad often takes over the entire screen and integrates some form of interaction such as links, opt-in pages, and even mini games. They're generally longer, from 1 to 2 minutes long. Awesome, right? Then wait until we tell you all about how video ads can benefit your business in our following video. Tune in.